In this video, we'll explain what subject headings are. Subject headings, also referred to as subject terms, are specialist tags applied to articles from databases such as Medline or CINAHL to identify and classify the article's topic. Subject headings are specific to each database. In Medline, for example, they are called MESH, which stands for Medical Subject Heading. When an item is added to a database, an indexer analyzes each article and assigns it a subject to describe its content. Selecting or searching articles by subject headings will allow you to more easily and consistently find relevant information by topic. This is how you search for subject heading in Ovid Medline. In CINAHL EBSCO, the Suggest Subject Terms option is selected by default. Subject headings come from a standardized list of terms, or thesaurus, also known as controlled vocabulary. This means that all items about a particular subject would be tagged with the same standard heading, regardless of the words or phrases the author uses in the title or abstract. Using subject headings can make your search more effective than just searching for keywords, which may vary. For example, to look for articles on COVID, you might search for coronavirus as a keyword and retrieve just over 79,000 results. Instead, if you use the subject heading COVID-19, you will find many more results. But how can you find the right subject heading for your concept? Each database allows you to map the term that you're searching with to its thesaurus or controlled vocabulary. To find subject headings, seek out a database system's mapping facility to help you uncover the preferred heading for your concept in your database of choice. This is what the mapping looks like in Ovid. Choose the subject heading most appropriate for your keyword. For face mask, Medline suggests masks. In CINAHL, this is what the mapping looks like. For face masks, we can use masks. You can then search a database for all items tagged with that heading or term. The controlled vocabulary found in a thesaurus is listed in a hierarchy, showing relationships between terms such as broad topics, for example neoplasms, and narrower topics, for example breast neoplasms. In Ovid, click on the term and see where the term sits in the hierarchy. Then click on the plus sign to expand subject headings further and see narrower terms. Use the database's facility to expand your search and pick up narrower headings related to your topic. You can do this by ticking Explode. Generally, we recommend you use Explode whenever it is an option. You can also target your results to ones where your subject heading is deemed to be the major focus of an article for even more precision. In Ovid, this is called focus. In the EBSCO databases, this is called major concept. Once you have searched for subject headings, you can incorporate them into your overall search strategy. This is a search example for Medline Ovid, where you can see the difference between just searching with keywords and a search that combines keywords and subject headings. Search 7 combines subject headings and keywords, and Search 8 is only keywords. Here you can see the same example in CINAHL EBSCO. Again, you can see the big difference between a search that combines subject headings and keywords and a search that is just keywords. Use subject headings when you are overwhelmed with too many irrelevant results or underwhelmed with too few results when doing initial keyword searches. Subject headings are also useful for finding papers where the title is non-descriptive or where there is no abstract. Most importantly, subject headings are vital when you need a comprehensive set of results, such as when you are working on a longer research topic, dissertations or systematic reviews. Always use a combination of subject headings and keywords for each of your concepts in your search strategy to avoid missing relevant papers. Using subject headings can seem daunting, but once you get to grips with them, you will soon see how their use can benefit your efforts to track down relevant literature for your research. Thank you for watching this video on subject headings. Should you have any questions, please email liaison@sgul.ac.uk.